Morning, T-Birds.
I'm Makayla.
And I'm Rylee. Today is March 30th, 2023, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
Today is Rep Your Flag for this week's intercultural spirit week. Tomorrow's International Love. So wear your cultural clothing. Rylee, will you be wearing something for your culture from your culture tomorrow?
Probably. Most likely, yeah. Will you be?
No.
Oh.
This is the closest I'm gonna get. It's Polish flag. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this evening is Friends and Family Night with performances in the gym at 6:30 p.m. And tomorrow is the Intercultural Assembly. We can't wait to see all of the performances.
Speaking of the Intercultural Assembly, Rylee, have you ever been or participated in one?
I mean, I guess. Last year I was a flag holder, but I'm performing tomorrow, I guess. So yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm dancing, representing the culture. Yeah.
Well, our reporters Jasmine and Paola went around asking students about their experience with Intercultural Assembly. Let's check it out.
Are you excited for the Multicultural Assembly?
Definitely. It's my favorite part of the year here.
Have you been to one before?
Yeah, I've been to one so far and look forward to this one.
What's your favorite part about the Multicultural Assembly?
I think just walking through the halls and seeing kids prepare for it and get ready for it, and it feels like it's a good vibe and we all unify around something together.
Okay, thank you. With
Charlize.
Are you going to the Multicultural Assembly?
I think so. Yeah.
Have you been there before? To one before?
I think so. Yeah.
Who are you most excited to see perform?
All of them.
Me with?
Mr. Jones.
Have you been to a Multicultural Assembly before?
Yes.
Are you going to this one?
Yes.
What's your favorite part of the Multicultural Assembly?
Oh, when everybody do their dances and their cultural things that they do, lets you see other cultures.
Yeah. I'm here with Rylee. Are you excited for the Multicultural Assembly?
Yes.
What about it?
Kamai Club.
Are you performing?
No, I got kicked out.
Oh. How?
I didn't show up.
Do better.
I was trying. I practiced.
Okay. Here with
Mr. McColgan.
Are you excited about the Multicultural Assembly?
Absolutely.
Have you been to one before?
I've been to, I've been here 9 years and I've been to every one that we've had.
So 9? Okay. What's your favorite part?
Favorite parts, all the performances.
Yeah.
Honestly, just seeing kids get excited about their culture and celebrating that and sharing that with the school.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. Korean class went on a field trip Tuesday to the Culture Center, and they enjoyed learning and experiencing Korean traditional music and food. Let's check out some highlights from the trip.
We hope everyone who went had a good time. Now let's head over to Jada for today's sports report.
Morning, T-Birds. So, girls tennis has a away game today against Stadium at 3:30. Girls softball has a home game against Bonnie Lake. JV will play at 5 p.m. and varsity will play at 7 p.m. Boys soccer has an away game against Stadium as well. JV playing at 5 p.m., varsity playing at 7 p.m. And the JV baseball team has a game tomorrow at 4 p.m. against Spanaway at Spanaway. Now back to the desk.
Thank you, Jada. Tomorrow during first period, yarn balls will be passed out for the Intercultural Assembly. Let's head over to JoJo and Elijah to see how we use them.
All right, what's up, T-Birds? I'm Elijah.
And I'm Joe. And this Friday, we're going to be giving out yarn balls for multicultural. Yeah, for multicultural, the Multicultural Assembly. And what it is you give a compliment, you receive a compliment, and you receive a piece of yarn. So we're gonna demonstrate the right and the wrong way to do this. It's good. E.
It's good, bro. Hey, I like your hairline, bro. That looks nice.
I like the fact you're not showing your hairline.
Okay.
Thank you. What's up?
What's good, bro? How you doing?
Good.
Bro, I appreciate you being a good friend. You know what I'm saying? For 4 years, I appreciate it. 4 years, that's
bro.
crazy.
I
That's crazy.
appreciate that. Thank you. There you go. Keep that for yourself.
Thanks.
During spring break, the district will upgrade all student laptops to Windows 11. Tomorrow evening, make sure your laptop is plugged into power, turned on, and connected to Wi-Fi. Any laptop not connected to power or Wi-Fi during this time will receive this update once turned on and connected to Wi-Fi at home or school. It's Thursday, which means it's Ask an Anchor. Today's question is, if you could meet a celebrity, who would you choose? If you could meet a celebrity, who would you choose?
Go ahead, Makayla. You could go first.
Okay. I'm going to say Travis Kelce.
Travis Kelce.
Yeah, because I like his face.
Okay. Are we talking dead or alive? Or?
You pick.
Okay, like all time, probably Nipsey Hussle. Yeah, very inspirational young man. Well, anyways, to submit your question for a chance to be answered on air next week, find the Ask an Anchor box behind the stairs and put it in there.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thank you for tuning in. Again, I'm Makayla.
And I'm Rylee. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-bird, always a T-bird. Have a great day.